Hello, this video is about Stoicism. Stoicism is an ancient Greek philosophy that teaches people to focus on what can be controlled and accept what we cannot control. At its core, it's about responding to life's challenges with reason, virtue, and resilience. The Stoics believe that everything we encountered is an opportunity to practice four key virtues. These are wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, also called self restraint. This video focuses on the lives of five of the main Stoic philosophers and includes information on their core beliefs and challenges that they faced. The five main Stoics in this video are Zeno of Citium, Epictetus, Seneca, Marcus Aurelius, and Musonius Rufus. Part 1. Zeno of Citium, the founder of Stoicism. Zeno of Citium was a wealthy merchant who lost everything when he was shipwrecked near Athens. Stranded with no possessions or money, he faced a life-altering setback. Instead of despairing, Zeno saw his misfortune as an opportunity to rebuild himself. He studied philosophy and founded Stoicism, creating a framework for handling adversity. Here's a quote by Zeno of Citium. "Better to trip with the feet than with the tongue." What does this mean? This means that if you trip with your feet, you can pick yourself back up. But if you say the wrong thing, it sometimes cannot be undone. His teachings reflected the belief that even in dire circumstances, personal growth and virtue are always within reach. Part 2. Epictetus. Epictetus was born a slave, and he endured physical abuse, including a lame leg inflicted by a cruel master. He had no freedom for much of his early life. He was born in Hierapolis in the kingdom of Phrygia in Anatolia. Despite his circumstances, Epictetus taught that freedom comes from controlling one's mind and reactions. He encouraged focusing on what was within one's control. Here's a quote by Epictetus. "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." This means that we are hurt by our perception of the events rather than the events themselves. Epictetus highlighted the importance of distinguishing between what is and what isn't up to us. His resilience inspired many to see that external conditions don't dictate inner freedom. Part 3. Seneca, the advisor to the emperor. Seneca was the advisor to the volatile Emperor Nero. Seneca walked a tightrope of political intrigue, where he was eventually accused of conspiracy and forced to end his life. Seneca wrote extensively on the importance of preparing for misfortune and maintaining tranquility amid the chaos. Here's a quote by Seneca. "Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity." Through Stoicism, Seneca found peace in practicing virtue and wisdom, even under threat. His writings focus on the impermanence of life and the value of self-control and justice. Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher emperor. Part 4. As a Roman emperor, Marcus Aurelius faced constant war, political challenges, and personal losses, including the deaths of several of his children. Marcus used Stoicism to guide his actions, often writing down things to remind himself of the virtues he sought to practice daily. Here's a quote by Marcus Aurelius. "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." In his work, Meditations, Marcus reflects on using rationality and virtue to navigate his duties. Stoicism helped him endure suffering while remaining a just and wise leader. Part 5. Musonius Rufus. Musonius Rufus was exiled multiple times for his philosophical teachings, while often clashed with ruling powers. He saw exile as an opportunity to live simply and focus on teaching and practicing Stoicism. Here's a quote by Musonius Rufus. "In every circumstance, we can find an opportunity for virtue." Musonius emphasized that philosophy must be lived, not just studied. He taught that adversity could strengthen one's resolve to live virtuously, advocating self-discipline and ethical action. Musonius was banished to a harsh island by Nero. There, Musonius formed a small community of philosophers and used his Stoic teachings to highlight the benefits of hardship, viewing exile as an opportunity to practice. Each of these philosophers faced profound struggles: loss, abuse, political danger, personal grief, and exile. Yet through Stoicism, they transformed their hardships into lessons of resilience and virtue, leaving a legacy that continues to inspire us today. If you got through this entire video, you might have noticed I missed a few philosophers. You might be wondering, where is Chrysippus, Cato the Younger, Cleanthes, or Hecato of Rhodes? I'll make a second video that goes over these philosophers and a few more.